could choose an operation on his heart when he's older, but there are risks.
So I might have this operation. If I have that, I might be the end of my rugby career. And I would come in now playing rugby. I think my dad would like me to be when I'm older or be in a bank or an accountant. So as long as I have their support, I'm alright.
Since the accident, Mike has been more involved with the house chores.
I accepted the fact I could do it, and I learned a lot of new skills as a result, involving things like the washing machine, the Hoover, and so on and so forth. You know, because I never used to do much of that. I do now.
Christine's recovering from her injuries at home. She's now hired a gardener.
I used to like gardening, but gardening no longer likes me. You've on the bright side, haven't you? It could have been a whole lot worse. You know, and I'm the first to realise it could have been, well, it could have been curtains.
Next time.
Mom, I do apologise. Mom?
My kids are my life. I love my kids to death, but I don't know what I'd do without my missus.
More tomorrow at the later time.